Alright, there's the Ramsation 4 Dylan's Diggs helmets. We got 447, 447. Here's the helmet. Let me find the list here. I think that's supposed to be Chris Patterson. I'll fix up. Cut list over here.
How we doing? Got the usuals. The usuals? You know it. Your usual.
Right. 5 or greater on the dice roll. We have 2. That's no good. We have 8. Good luck, everyone. First roll. 448. 448. Alright. Round 2. Going on the final round. Looks like Matt Brecky is the sore loser for round 7. Go back here, type in final round. Good luck.
What exactly is it that you do? I do a lot of things. Up until 30 years ago.
448. 448. Alright. And the winner is Patrick Remy. Or Remy. I believe it's Remy. Sorry if I pronounced that wrong. Congrats, man. Contact Dylan on get your address and all that. Go down here, type done, and I hope everyone has a great night. And be safe. If you're going to go out drinking like most of us will. Have a good night.